Kucoin tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Kucoin for trading and for buying or selling a cryptocurrency, and what is this platform and how you can use it for your own good. So let's get into the video. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to open kucoin.com. For that you can go onto your URL bar and search for kucoin.com, or you can enter it in the Google. So after you get onto the platform, this is how it's going to look like, and it basically takes you completely to the sign up page. And in here, if you already have an account, what you need to do is you can just go on and click on this option which says login. I don't have an account, so I have to basically make an account right now. So I'm just going to enter my email, then my password, and I'm going to enter in the referral code that is sent to my email. And after that I'm going to sign up, and then I'll get back to you guys. So here you can see that this is my main dashboard after signing in, and this is the asset overview first of all. So here I'm going to see all of the assets that I have in the amounts or in any kind of cryptocurrency that I have, or any NFTs or any asset that my account holds. So first of all, I have main account, and it obviously my balance is zero. Then I have a trading account, then I have a trading bot account and a financial account, and there's a futures account as well. So these are all the things, all the accounts that you can get on Kucoin. They have differentiated the money by the way of getting the money. Like the ones that you have made in trade are gonna represent here, the one you have made in trade by bot are gonna be here. The financial account is this, and your main account is this. The future accounts enable futures trading to access up to 100 times leverage. So first of all, in order to begin with the trading thing, you have to deposit some kind of money. To deposit, you just have to click on this point in this button, and you can just deposit the crypto. I want to deposit existing crypto assets into my Kucoin account, or deposit fiat. I want to deposit my fiat assets into my Kucoin account. So you can choose the one. If you want to deposit your crypto, you can just click on this button, and here you have an option to deposit crypto. For example, now you have to choose your coin, whatever the coin that you want to deposit it into. Like for example, I have a Bitcoin, and then you have to choose a network crypto chain that you use. For example, Kucoin community chain network, that's my netcon. And then you can basically go on and add in the amount, and then you can also go on and add in deposit with the deposit file. Going back, okay, so there are three options to buy crypto. You can fast trade, like buy crypto with Visa, MasterCard, or Fiat balance. You can have a P2P transfer, like bank transfer in 20 plus option. And you have a third party transfer, like Banxa, Simplex, or BTC Direct. These are the three options that you can buy crypto from. Then you have your markets, Kucoin market watch. So in these markets, you're going to get all of the information of all the bitcoins and crypto chains that you have, and all the details of what's happening in the crypto market. Like for example, the price of bitcoin is $20,000 something, and you have a 24-hour change of 1.21%, and then you have a market crop of $395. You can get all the details from these options right here about the bitcoin. You want to get the details of ethereum, they're going to be here, and xrp here, ada, matic. Like you're going to have the details of all the crypto coins that are available, and you can basically go on. And this is helpful for the people who do trading, and because they have a knowledge of what's happening with the coin right now. So they can make an informed decision of if they want to sell the coin, or if they want to buy more. So if you want to trade in the specific coin, just click on this option which says trade. You can continue with that, or you have an options right here as well. So here in the trade, you have a spot trading, you have a margin trading, you have a trading bot, and you have a convert as well. So if you want to do a spot trading, trade crypto with comprehensive tools, magnify profits with leverage. And in the trading bot, you basically get a automation of trading. Like for example, whenever the coin hits, you ask the bot to sell it, and whenever the coin hits a specific amount, you ask the bot to buy it. So you can go on and add the bot to your crypto, so it is going to generate all the revenue for you, and you don't have to do the trading yourself. So it is a very easy fix for the people who do trading, but they don't have the time to sit on the screen all the time. You just do the market study one time, and then you can continue with your trading. So let's go on to the spot trading. Let me show you guys how it's done. Okay, so here you can see that this is the trading center of Kucoin. Here you can see that first of all, you have to choose the pair that you want to trade into. Like right now, I have chosen Bitcoin and USDT. So you can change it to KCS, Fiat, Ethereum, or you can basically go on and change the pair to dot BTC, BTX BTC, VRA BTC, etc. So right now I'm on BTC, so you can change your market from these options right here. You have USD, you have you have Ethereum, etc. So I was using BTC, and then the pair that I had was Ethereum and BTC. So this is the pair that I chose. Okay, so this is the basically the graph right here. It shows the changing of the market. Like these red dots is when the pair is not basically gaining any kind of profit, and these green lines is when the pair is going in profit. So you can see that, and when the people who are into trading will know what it basically will know all the peaks and all the depressions of this graph, because this is what they study, and that's how they make the future decision of what to do with this specific coin and how they are going to earn the profit from investing or selling their shares. So this is an order book. You can see the price and you can see the amount of Ethereum and total Ethereum, and this is also this is the green side of order book when the coin is in is in gaining space, and you can see that it is the amount in Ethereum and total Ethereum as well. The recent trades and market depth are all here. So if you want to basically get yourself if you want to place an order, you can see that there's a spot trading, then there's an isolated margin, there's grid, and there's future bonus. So what you can do is you can basically limit market limit. This is market and this is spot limit. So you can add in the price of Bitcoin, you can add in the quantity of Ethereum, you can basically add in 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100% of ratio, and then you can see the availability. Please set trading password. So here you can see that this is how you can do it. You can also add a bot right here, which is going to, and you can tell the price of selling and the price of buying the this pair. You can tell it to the bot, and whenever the price reaches, the bot is going to buy it for you. So this is a very easy thing that you can do, and here you are going to see all the open orders. Here you have all the advanced orders, order history, and trade history, and you can see the spot, the cross isolated, and grid. You're going to see all of the trades, right? And your assets are going to be here, so you can go on and start trading if you want to on Kucoin, because this is a really good platform. This is a very authentic platform that you can do. So going back, you can also earn from the Kucoin. We saw the trading market, we saw the spot trading, we saw the margin and trading bot were there as well. Then we have the derivatives, we have future classic, futures light, future brawl, and leverage tokens. Then we have earn. You can also earn from Kucoin. You have a crypto lending, Kucoin earn, you have spotlight, KCS, Kucoin pool, etc. You also have an NFT marketplace in Kucoin where you can buy different kind of NFTs and you can have them as your assets, and then you have your wallet. So here you have your option to withdraw the money that you have. Then you can also see the history and deposit and withdrawal of whatever has been happening on your account. You can just go on this option. You can see whatever is done. Like you can see the coin, the time, the amount, blockchain, record, status, and remarks. And you can also export the history from this option, and it is going to be copied in an Excel sheet, and you can go on and copy it onto an Excel sheet as well, or Google Sheets, or wherever you want. And all the bonuses that you're going to get are going to be here, and you can see the bonuses from this option, like referral bonus, Kucoin bonus, margin bonus. So there are a lot of things, bonuses that you can get. So these are the ones that are active for me right now. I can just go on and view one of these, and you're gonna see what are these about. So invite new users to underboard, so you can get this bonus from this option. Like you can just click on, you can copy this referral link, and you can ask them to join the platform. You can ask other people to join the platform using your referral link, and then you're going to get the bonus out of it. So here you can see that these are all the options. When you open your own profile, you're also going to get these options right here. So you can get your trading fees. So trading fees is the amount of fees that you have to pay whenever you are making a trade. So you can see the trading fees of all the coins out there. So you have and there are levels of the trading fees. Right now I'm in level 0. You can go on to level 1, and you can see minimum Kucoins holding last 30 days are going to be 1,000, or spot trading volume Bitcoin last 30 days is going to be, or approximately is going to be more than 50, or approximately 50. Or there are other features, there are other requirements that you need to fulfill in order to complete all of these levels. And according to these levels, the 24-hour withdrawal limit for me is 200, and whenever I basically go on and my level is going to be increasing, my withdrawal limit will also increase accordingly. Like for example, on the level 8, the withdrawal limit increases up to 1,000. So depending upon that, it basically goes on to increasing. Whenever you when you open your profile again, you are going to see other things as well. Like this is the account security, identity verification. So identity verification is very important whenever you are when you start using this platform, which is Kucoin. You have to verify verify your identity, and for that you have to basically fulfill some of the minimum steps that it's going to show you. Like for example, add in your documents, some of the documents that show your identification, add in some of the details about you and your profile and everything. So when you add all of those things, it basically makes you a valid user of Kucoin, and you can use all of the features that platform has to offer. So you can see that this is identity verification. So institutional verification to ensure account security, provide the required personal information to complete the verification. So basic features that you're going to get are 1 Bitcoin per day. When you verify, you are going to get the withdrawal of 200 Bitcoins per day. You're going to get a P2P trading of 500,000 US dollars per day, and fiat deposit will be available. Right now it is unavailable for me because my account is not verified, so you have to verify it in order to use that. It will be better for you to use it that way. Then you have your API management. In this, you can manage all of your APIs to ensure the account security. Please enable the two security protection method as follows: the SMS verification or Google verification, and setting the trading password. So this basically decreases the risk of any kind of theft from your account. So this is the basic gist of Kucoin. This is basically how you can use it and how you can go on and manage all of your cryptocurrency, and you can also trade and deposit your cryptos in this whenever you want. So you can come on and try it for yourself, and you can see if it's gonna work for you or not. So you can come and search all the features by yourself. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.